Welcome back to my channel, everybody. If you're new, hey, what's up? What's good? Please make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. So today, you might be wondering why I look so crusty. I'm going to be washing my hair. It's just that at this current moment of time, I am about to take a bath. But first, I want to spray my hair with a little bit of what do you call this thing? Rice water. Yes, rice water. I don't know. I wanted to say something before water. But anyway, yes, that's what I want to do. So I'm just going to show you that a little bit. And then I will come back and I will wash my hair because wow. Wow. Mutase. It needs to be washed. The hair needs to be washed. So that's what we're doing today. This is normally what I use for Prepoo, the Aunt Jackie Repair My Hair Argan Oil. I love it. This one is completely finished, that's why I opted to rather just use the rice water for growth and whatever. But this is what I normally used. I've never really done this before. I normally use rice water when I am washing the hair. Actually, I don't actually normally use it before, but for the first time for everything. Anyway. Let me put that way so I can just pour onto the sink as well. It's dripping everywhere. Okay, anyway, so that is it. Where is my... I need to get like some essential oils so that I can put them on, well, drop them in the water. You just want to see the smell. Horrendous. That is enough. So I will see you while I am done and I'm ready to wash my hair. So that'll be in a little bit. I will be using this shampoo, the Prepoo Expert Keratin Smooth 5 Benefits 1 System shampoo, because I do not need to be using the other one that comes with my conditioner, because I want to deep condition anyway. So this is the shampoo I'll be using.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into you there. Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you?
We're gonna use the Husk Argan Oil for my deep conditioning. This is almost finished, so I'm gonna have to get another one. I'm not sure I'll buy this exact one because it is quite expensive, but I did like it. But I'm probably gonna try something else after here.
Take you there.
Okay, everyone, so I was cleaning the tap. I just put shampoo in it and I'll wash it out. I'm going to close my hair for quite a while. Actually, I closed it for quite a while. I think it's supposed to be like 15 minutes, but I do it honestly generally for quite a while. Yeah. So I'm going to do that now. These buns are not gonna stay, I know. But whatever. As long as it's huddled up as best as I can get it. And covered. I like to press it down so that there's no air. And it's just good plastic on my hair. And that is it for now. And then I'll come back to wash it out. I probably won't show that because it's the exact same process as washing the hair, and maybe I'll catch you afterwards. Quickly wanted to show you guys what I do to apply heat. I just wrap a towel around me and that is pretty much it. I'm going to take it out, take out the plastic cap, just brush the two sides and then wash it, come out and air dry it because I relaxed blow dried only to dry, not to actually blow dry and straighten it, just to dry it. So it was on a low heat. I relaxed, blow dried and then straightened it last week when I did my relax after however long it's been. And because of all that heat and all that chemical that I put in, I just definitely do not want to put anything on it this whole week until I wash it next week. So yeah, and it's almost been 2 weeks actually since I washed it. I actually didn't relax my hair last week. I'm lying, it the week before last. I kept pushing it on and saying tomorrow, 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 tomorrow. So it's almost actually been 2 weeks since I relaxed and did all of that. So actually it's quite okay. But anyway, I'm gonna air dry it and we'll see how that works out because I used to air dry last year and it was just really, it was okay. It gets okay until you get like really far in the months and in the weeks, and then you're like, can I do this? But I have a straightener, so I think it'll be fine, but definitely not straightening it today. Okay, now that I'm done with that, now that I'm done washing the conditioner out, I'm just gonna put some of this leave-in conditioner. Like wet, so I'm gonna put a different t-shirt on it because it's totally wet. So I'm gonna put a different t-shirt on it to get it a little bit more dry, and then we'll let it air dry once it's a bit more firm in the drying process. And yeah, oh, I didn't show you what I use as the leave-in conditioner, sorry. And here is my leave-in conditioner. I use the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner repair cream. Yeah, I use it sometimes. I don't use it all the time. But today just seems to be one of those days. So I think I'm gonna end the video here because the rest is just a whole lot of drying. If you want to see a whole air dry video, I suppose, then just let me know and I will definitely do that for you. But for today, this is really it. This is my wash day routine. If I'm not blow drying my hair, I will do one for blow dry, I will do one for straightening, because I have a way to blow dry my hair that will make the hair look really nice and straight anyway. I just don't do that anymore because it's just really like it's tedious. It's just as tedious as like straightening. But I'll do both of them eventually sometime soon, and then you'll see all my types of routines. But this is it for this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Please tell a friend, tell a friend to subscribe and smash that like button and that bell, guys, please. Especially the subscribe button, guys. Like, it's totally free, 100% free. Ain't nobody gonna charge you for that. There's like 80% of you who are like not subscribed to watch my videos, and like, ow. So please, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.